You deleted your data, but did it really disappear? What if I told you that your erased photos, messages, or voice recordings could still be training AI models right now without your knowledge? In the race to build smarter AI, tech companies need data, tons of it. But here's the twist, sometimes even the data you thought was deleted isn't truly gone.
And in some cases, it's still being used to feed AI training pipelines.
Most of us assume that when we delete a file, it's gone for good. But in reality, companies often retain backups, metadata, or partial records, sometimes indefinitely. These fragments or ghost data can still be used to train AI systems. Even worse, vague privacy policies might give companies a legal loophole to do so. Imagine deleting a voice message only to find that your voice was still captured in a dataset used to train a speech recognition model.
You never gave explicit consent, but buried in the terms and conditions you didn't read, you might have unknowingly allowed it.
AI thrives on historical data, and in many infrastructures, deleted doesn't mean destroyed. Cloud storage systems often replicate data across servers. Some keep versions or logs even after deletion. If an AI model was already trained on your data before deletion, that information is already baked in. And here's the kicker. Companies don't always retrain models when users remove their data. In other words, your deleted content may still be influencing outputs even if you've withdrawn permission. Take the example of Zoom's AI features. Users discovered that even after opting out of training, recordings and transcripts could still end up in internal datasets unless explicitly disabled. Or think about generative AI models trained on scraped internet content, including deleted blogs, tweets, or profiles still lingering in archival caches. These gray zones raise a serious ethical question. Can you ever really opt out of an AI you unknowingly helped build? Deleted doesn't always mean forgotten, especially in the world of AI. As users, we must demand clear rights, transparency, and control over how our data, past and present, is used. Have you ever wondered what parts of you might still live inside an AI? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to dive deeper into how AI scrapes the internet for training, check out our next video right here.